Keto decisions. There's really only one you need to make. Hi, welcome to Keto with JT. I'm JT. I'm a certified keto and intermittent fasting coach, and this channel is all about a practical approach to living a ketogenic lifestyle. Today, I want to go back to a video I made a little while ago that focused on what I call the keto mindset, and I used a donut as an analogy, as an object lesson to illustrate how the keto mindset is implemented on a daily basis in our daily decisions when we come across things that are not keto. Well, today I want to pose this question. We're going to explore that a little bit further, but I want to pose this question. What if you didn't have to make those daily decisions every time you're in the grocery store, or every time you're driving around and see a restaurant or things like that? Or if at your home not everybody's keto and you see non-keto foods that are sitting on the counter or in the pantry or something like that. What if there was a way that you didn't have to be faced with those kinds of decisions on a daily basis? Okay, well, one way would be just to not go out of your house, and that's not an option, right? You still have to eat, so you have to go to the grocery store, so that's not going to work. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about the word itself, decision. Well, what do I mean? Well, let's talk about decision. It is derived from a Latin word that means to cut. So the word decision actually means to cut. Cut what? Cut off other possibilities. So if I'm making a true decision, I'm going to cut off other possibilities. For example, if I'm making a decision to do keto, that's what I'm doing, and I'm cutting off other options, other possibilities. So if I'm looking at, okay, here's my food list, these are the acceptable food items, which qualifies as keto. These are the foods that don't. I'm cutting those off almost as if they don't even exist. So I have a really good friend. His name's CJ, one of my best friends. He's more like a brother to me, and very often he and I will do some research on different topics that are interesting. Very often he comes to me with some very interesting and cool things that he is researching, and there have been times where he'll bring the idea to me, and I'll think about it, consider it, go away, do some of my own evaluating and researching, and next time I see him, I'll say, I'm doing it. And he has often commented to me that, hey man, we talk about these things and then you're the one that says, I'm doing it. And then, months later, you're still doing it. I said, yeah, because I've made a true decision, and we both laugh. So in fact, CJ was one of the primary people who, part of the big puzzle actually, the decision-making tree, if we want to call it that, for me to go in a keto direction. Okay, so when you're making a decision, you're cutting off all other possibilities. So how do we apply this? If I make a decision to do keto, the decision's made. It's done, right? I've made it in advance. So when I go to the store, when I go to the pantry and I see non-keto foods, right? I don't even have to think about it. The decision is already made. So when you're faced with the donut, you're faced with the cookie, you're faced with the chocolate chip cookie or the chocolate cake, you're faced with the pies, the pasta, the pizza, the potatoes, the rice, the muffins, all of these things that are non-keto. You don't have to wrestle with yourself to think about all the benefits of not doing it and all the benefits of doing it. Though that's very helpful, and if you're not to that point yet, that's what you want to do, right? But if you've already made the decision, it's a non-issue. You just pass on by. It doesn't even register because you've made a true decision. If you can get there, if you can get to that point, say, this is what I'm doing it, cut off all other possibilities, then the possibilities of your success go through the roof. They're phenomenally higher than they would be if you're like, well, I'm going to give this a try. We'll see. I'll try it out. I don't know if it's for me. I'll try it out. If that's the approach that you're taking, chances are good you're going to end up a few weeks later saying, keto's not for me. And that you miss out on all these amazing benefits, all the things that you were hoping for when you said, I'll give it a try. If you say, hey, I'm doing this, and you stick to it, you see it through, then you will get the results that you want. So I wanted to share that with you today. I've been thinking about this. I hope that it's been helpful. I hope that you've found something today beneficial to you. I hope you've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed making this video, and I hope you subscribe. Hope you click the bell icon so you know when new videos are coming out. Smash the like button, leave me a comment, all that YouTube stuff. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.